this video I will show you quickly how it compares to how it came in the original form. These were the propellers that came with the original drone, and if you compare them, they are much smaller, as I explained. It's easier to see white on black here. There you go. Having said that, see, this folds beautifully like so, and this still folds perfectly. So it's going to be a little bit wider, of course, than the original, but I guess it'll work just fine. And as far as the direction in which the rotors are placed, this was the working drone that came, and the other one came, this one here, came with the incorrect rotor placement, which is why it would never fly. All it would do is it would lift up on one side and then flip. That's all it was able to do. And so I'm hoping with these new ones, and since hopefully they are different from left to right, we'll be able to get a proper liftoff. Let's see. Those look like they're opposite somehow. Anyway, we'll just have to test it out and make sure that it runs. And that's the best I can do right now. Alright, see you in the next video.